Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the upper button. Once the menu opens, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and look for the option called the system. And once you find it, tap on it, of course. Now, scroll down and look for the option called language. And once you find it, select it. And now you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, look for the language you would like to use. And once you find it, tap on it to select it and apply it. And after a second or two, the language should be applied. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone to change the language on your watch. And to do that, we're gonna bring our phone, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect. Not Garmin Connect. It's a Garmin Golf for this specific watch. So Garmin Golf application. And in the app, you should see the activity menu, activity page. Now we can tap on Profile, My Devices, select your Approach S50, and it should open the settings for your watch. Now scroll down and look for the System option, and then tap on Language. Now you should see the list of languages. Find the language you would like to use on your watch, select it, and the language should be applied. Like this. Sometimes, if it doesn't apply, you could try to force sync the devices together, and maybe it will apply it when the devices sync. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.